Guess what?
We're shopping today.
Yeah, we are. We're at Target. We're going to go pick up some Easter eggs.
Yay!
Some surprise eggs for you.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Ivan. Which egg do you want?
This Spongebob.
SpongeBob?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. How about Paw Patrol? You want Paw Patrol?
Yeah. Thank you.
Then you get to pick out 3 more. How about Angry Bird?
We got one.
That's a lot, Ivan.
2 eggs.
Okay, so far we have Paw Patrol, Angry Bird, and SpongeBob. Okay, they don't have many choices. So I think we're just gonna pick out 3.
Pick up 3?
Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's okay. Don't pick your nose.
Hey. Bag.
The bag? Okay. So you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this. I want to open this. This one, Angry Bird.
Angry Bird first?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Wonder what's inside. Whoa! That's a lot of lollipop.
Let's eat this wrapper first.
Yeah, that's a lot of lollipop, Ivan.
Let's go open this and wrapper this. Wrapper this.
Lollipop. And what else is in there? You got more stuff. Some hard candy. It looks like it's some hard candy. And what else? What else is it inside? A lot of lollipops.
There's some more stickers.
Oh, you got sticker too? Wow!
Let's get it out. Ooh, wow, stickers. What's next one?
The next one?
Yeah.
Paw Patrol. It's too hard. Do you need help? I think there's a tape there, Ivan. Let me take the tape out. Yeah, there is tape. There we go.
Wow.
Jelly beans. Is that jelly beans?
Let's go eat this way. Let's go. Let's go eat this. Now let's go eat this.
Open this for you? Okay,
Yeah.
hold on. Let's see what else you got. So jelly beans. A lot of jelly beans and lollipop.
Next one.
Oh, this one's broken. That's a lot of candy. Okay, next one. Which one's this one?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
To open it.
Oh, there's tape again.
Tape.
Tape, tape, tape.
What jelly beans?
More jelly beans. SpongeBob lollipop.
Dry drinks. More dry drinks. One wrapper. One wrapper. One wrapper.
Whoa, that's too much candy, Aiden. Way too much candy. Uh-oh, that's okay. We'll pick it up.
Let's pick it up. Pick it up. One more wrapper. Two.
That's funny to you?
Well, for watching, say subscribe. Bye.